Hi, I'm Shawn Sahota, orthopedic surgeon and sports medicine here at Columbia Orthopaedic Group. I've been in practice here at Columbia Orthopaedic Group since 2019. Grew up here in Columbia actually and spent most of my time here in undergrad as well. I did my medical training at the Mayo Clinic in Minnesota. I then did my orthopedic residency at Northwestern University in Chicago, and then did a subspecialty training in sports medicine at the Hospital for Special Surgery in New York City. My wife and I are both from Columbia and glad to be back in Columbia. We have two young daughters and enjoying raising them here in Columbia. Orthopedics has always been something that I thought I wanted to go into. My father is a physician and he very heavily influenced me in that I looked up to him greatly, and so medicine was something that I wanted to do first. I had the luxury of shadowing one of my colleagues when I was in 7th grade, and seeing him get a young athlete back to sport was very inspiring to me. From that point on, I knew that I wanted to do orthopedic surgery and help young folks in the same fashion. The range and scope of my practice is quite broad. I do help young folks and young athletes get back to sport, but we also take care of our weekend warriors and some of our older folks as well with shoulder injuries. More of the portion with the young athletes that's been really encouraging and fun for me to come back to Columbia is I played sports growing up, and taking care of the high school athletes in mid-Missouri has been very impactful for me. I had one individual in particular who was on a basketball scholarship to go play D1 basketball, tore his ACL, and had to sit out his senior year. It's tough when a young athlete has to go through that process because not only are they worried about their future in the sport, but mentally it's very taxing for them. So to be able to reconstruct his ACL and get him back to the court was obviously of utmost importance, but being able to coach him through the process so that mentally he could come out on the other side and feel eager to return was also very rewarding for me.